In this video, I'm super excited to show one of the most environmental conscious dairy industry in Thailand. They set a good standard of ESG by implementing comprehensive wastewater treatment. Without further ado, let's dive in. Dairy industry is one of the important industry in Thailand and in any country, since people eat dairy product every day. This industry also produces significant amount of wastewater, which requires treatment. Papop provides turnkey solution from design, procurement, construction until startup of this process. The total project timeline was around 1 year. The plant has a total capacity to receive 220 cubic meter of wastewater per day. The apply process begins with the dissolved air flotation or DAF to remove fat, oil and grease and suspended solid from the wastewater. This is to protect and enhance the treatment efficiency of the downstream biological processes. The effluent from DAF flows to the upflow anaerobic sludge blanket or UASB process. The biogas is produced from this process. This UASB process has been researched and developed by Papop for the past 20 years. It features high removal efficiencies, stable operation, and small footprint. The biogas from UASB process can be applied for heating or power generation. It also helps to alleviate climate change. The effluent from UASB process is transferred to the activated sludge process, which is designed as a sequencing batch reactor, or SBR. The SBR has a really small footprint due to no sedimentation tank, hence cost saving in construction can be achieved. The treated effluent is pumped to the monitoring pond before discharge to the nearby watercourse. Excess sludge from DAF and SBR are collected and sent to the anaerobic digester tank. In this tank, anaerobic microbe digest organic matter and decrease the total volume of sludge down to 10 or 20% of its original volume. As a result, significant cost saving in sludge disposal can be realized. Operating cost is also minimized. Currently, the biogas from UASB and AD processes is only around 1,100 cubic meter per day. This amount is too small to apply for heating or power generation. Therefore, the biogas is now flared to reduce climate change impact. Papop has designed all the control process for this plant with PLC and SCADA system. All the instrument and equipment can be controlled automatically online. The main challenge for this project is the fluctuation of flow and characteristic of the influent wastewater. This is caused by seasonal changing of the product to match the consumer's preference. Additionally, the available area for the construction is limited, which only 13 meter wide and 30 meter long. Hence, Papop has to construct the whole plant in a very compact unit with 10 meter height. If you are interested to apply this kind of project to your industry, please contact us at email info@papop.com or line official @papop. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. Bye for now. See you in the next one.